This video is sponsored by my favorite website, Create a Squarespace, the best place to go when you want to get a domain or create a gorgeous website or an online store. Another season, another anti-haul. The 6 things I won't be buying this autumn because they're either short-lived trends, they're wrong for me personally, or because I've already got a good option at home. Let's hold tight to our money and be planet-friendly at the same time by keeping our shopping trolleys empty. Here we go. Last season, it was the micro short mini skirts. This season is the floor dragging maxi skirts and dresses. Yes, that's right. I'm not talking about ankle length maxi skirts. I'm talking about sweeping the floor tiles long. And yes, it's dramatic. And yes, it's super fitting the gothic Morticia Addams autumn vibe we all love. But I'm not investing for one single reason. This trend is, in my opinion, bound to be short-lived, simply because of the practicality issue. Sweeping the dirty streets of London with my own clothes? No thank you very much. We've all seen the Jane Austen movies. We know what the hems of 2 long dresses look like after a walkabout town. Yuck. One thing that's not yuck is pre-ordering my debut novel, OK Days, that will be out in June 2023. Did you see my last video? My goddamn book is getting published. Can you believe it? Yes, I know this is an anti-haul and I'm telling you to not buy things, but I gotta make an exception because I cannot wait to hear what you guys think of my 2 main characters, Sam and Luke, and their sexy, chatty, but totally chaotic relationship. Links are in the description, and if you're thinking of buying it, pre-ordering is actually a huge help to the author because he boosts the books with the bookshops and everything. So it would mean a lot to me. Thank you. Usually, we do neon and pastel in spring and summer and moody purples and blacks and browns in autumn winter. But this season, ultra neon is hot autumn commodity. Tailored suits and oversized outerwear in extreme colors like hot pink, neon blues, even what we in Sweden call snot color, which is right in between green and yellow. Disgusting, I know. I don't know how many times I could walk out the door in a head-to-toe hot pink suit, but I bet it's not that many before I get bored. My guess is we will get bored with it rather quickly, and when investing in something as expensive as a suit or a coat, I'm for sure sticking with classic and timeless and neutral in color. The coquette aesthetic has taken over TikTok and Insta, with Gen Zers opting for ultra-feminine, romantic, sad girl vibes in vintage lace, corsets, soft pinks, and all things Marie Antoinette. And the runway is catching on, with many flowy, super romantic looks. I find this fun and all, it's just not for me personally. I'm not a very feminine person, and when I do go for fun pieces, I tend to go for more hard-hitting femme fatale black rather than sweeter, more romantic pieces. If you are of a more romantic caliber than me, then by all means, I think it's safe to invest, as this trend doesn't seem to be going anywhere. And also, with a heavy focus on vintage, this look can be both cheap and planet-friendly. So definitely a win-win. There are a few styles that I have personally just never been into. The cowboy look, the hippie summer of love look, and the biker look. Biker women are everywhere on the runway this autumn with heavy leather motor boots, heavy leather biker jackets, and yeah, basically everything else heavy leather too. Despite leather always being wrong for me personally, and should be for everyone else too, I mean, we do know what leather is made out of, right? This one particular look is also wrong for me aesthetically. I have never felt like a biker femme. Jukeboxes, tattoos, and the life on the open road has never had any real appeal for me. What about you? You're nurturing a secret Harley Davidson dream? You love the smell of diesel? You don't mind getting a bit of dirt on your nails? Then this is the look for you. A good biker jacket never goes out of style, so yeah, it's safe to invest. But if you do, make sure that you go for a nice plant leather that's both good quality and eco and animal friendly. Another look that is wrong for me personally is a DIY looking like a hand-me-down found in your grandma's attic bohemia style. Whew, that's a mouthful. Rough around the edges, homemade, slow fashion is trending, and the runways are making their own version of the style, just without actually being, you know, homemade or hand-me-down. So even though when I see all these comfy knits and long scarves and fun, funky ponchos on the runway, and I go, ooh, nice, romantic and nostalgic in that 70s Manhattan movies kind of way, I know deep in my heart that no, I'm too minimalist for this stuff. I won't be romanced into investing. On me, it will feel like more like I'm playing dress up. It's not my style. And knowing what our style is definitely means that we'll make fewer bad spur-of-the-moment decisions. Grandma's moth-eaten sweater will look great on someone else, but it's not for me, so I'm keeping my wallet shut. Now, if knitting is your thing, go crazy. This is your time to shine. The more romantically imperfect, the better. Amateurism is hot stuff this season. Okay, so I told you I've never been into the biker chic style. What about the aviator? The flight jacket is super hot right now, and I have to say, I love this style. I have no aversion to cargo pants, goggles, and high top Doc Martens laced tight. This is a good look, and the flight jacket is another one of those pieces that never ever goes out of style. Plus, how practical is it? Warm and comfy, and looks just as great over your workout wear as on top of your sparkliest dress. This season, the flight jacket is updated with quite extra embellishments and unique details and puffy bits. So why am I not investing in this trend? Because the truth is, I have plenty of jackets for autumn already. I have light coats, short jackets, bomber jackets, denim jacket, blazers, even a cropped scuba jacket. I don't need anything else. If I were to buy a new jacket though, a huge oversized flight jacket thrifted from the menswear section would probably be it. Guys, you know what's happening. Autumn is here and winter is coming. Are you investing in anything this season? Are you going gaga for any of these trends, or are you trying to stay away from all types of shopping this autumn? Talk to you in the comments. Oh, and don't forget, my novel OK Days is available to pre-order. Links in the description. Go, go, go. Give me a thumb if you want me to continue with the anti-haul series, and don't forget to click subscribe if you're new around here. Do you want to create a beautiful site, maybe start your own sustainable fashion blog? If so, you should definitely do it with Squarespace. They have great blogging tools to share your stories, photos and videos to make it easy to reach your audience. You can also auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook or Tumblr, and simply schedule your posts for them to be properly tagged, and the descriptions and titles will show up correctly. You can of course add your social media accounts to your site so that it's easy for your readers to find you everywhere. Squarespace also have great traffic analytics so that you can see how many people are visiting your site, how long they're staying for, where they're coming from and what they're interested in, like books or fashion or maybe interior design, for example. So what are you waiting for? Go get your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/jennymustard to get 10% off your first purchase of our website or domain. That's it for today. Thank you guys for hanging out. Puss puss and hej då!